Okay guys, I'm back at Popeye's, going through the drive-thru, about to get some more blackened chicken tenders, but this time I'm gonna get it with the mashed potato and gravy. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. You got any blackened chicken tenders?
Yeah, we got blackened chicken tenders.
Alright, let me get a 3-piece blackened chicken tenders with some mashed potato and gravy.
I need 3 blackened, please.
And a Diet Coke.
3-piece blackened combo.
Yeah, with mashed potato and gravy and a Diet Coke.
Mashed potato and gravy, Diet Coke, anything else?
Let me try the what sauce you got?
Huh?
What sauces do you have?
Buttermilk ranch, blackened ranch, barbecue, Mardi Gras mustard, wild honey mustard, buffalo, and sweet heat.
Okay, let me try the buttermilk ranch.
Anything else?
That's it.
The total is $9.69. Pull around.
All right. You know, it's always a good thing when they have to cook them fresh. So that's what's up. Appreciate you. Okay, so I just got my order, and here they are, my 3-piece, and this is how they're looking. Last time they were darker, and these are a little smaller too. Tastes good and they hot. Okay, so let me taste it without a sauce. Yeah, it still tastes good. Popeyes, you did a good job with this. This is seasoned so good and they're so moist. Okay, let me try it with a sauce. So this time I got the buttermilk ranch. Okay. I think I like the buttermilk ranch better. The blackened ranch was kind of mild to me. Okay, so I got some mashed potato and gravy, and guess what? I ain't got no fork. Popeyes, no bueno. Mashed potato and gravy, fork. So okay, you guys gonna get to see me do this again without a fork. But wait, am I supposed to ask for a fork? Like, maybe I'm missing something. You know what? You all tell me, because this is the second time I come through Popeyes and they didn't give me no fork. So maybe I'm supposed to ask for a fork. Let me know in the comments. I can't believe this here. Yeah, I don't have no fork. Okay, well anyways, we're gonna dip in here. Dip in here. Pull out some mashed potato and gravy. Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna be good. Yeah, this is it. Try the ranch dressing, buttermilk ranch with the mashed potato and gravy. I just like it. Either dip it in just the ranch alone, which is good, the buttermilk ranch, or dip it down in here, mashed potato and gravy. Yeah. Oh, and I can't forget, I got my Diet Coke. Diet Coke is the best. These things taste good. The other day I gave it an 8 out of 10, but today a 9 out of 10. Yeah. Good job, Popeyes.